What's up, crypto geeks? Back with another video, and this is actually, again, very quick video, and I'm just telling you because there was a big update today in terms of the SEC and Ripple lawsuit. Big news, another documentation, this time on the other end. Ripple sending a document that was just happened about an hour ago. Ripple sent the document back to the court, and this is another letter of motion opposing the SEC's letter of motion. Gets a little bit complicated, but let me let you know, first of all, please click that like button and please click subscribe and turn your notifications on. It really helps me out and it keeps me on my toes, giving you guys the latest updates on my videos. So please click that like and subscribe button. Again, I'm not a financial or legal advisor. Make sure you do your own research. But yeah, so the Ripple just filed its opposition to the SEC's letter of motion for a discovery conference. But the big thing about what's happened with this new letter that was just sent about an hour ago is that it has a seal issue on it, which means that nobody will be able to find out what's in that letter except the lawyers on SEC's team, lawyers on Ripple's team, and the judge. And that could mean something big. Could also signal a settlement, guys, which we've been talking about for the last little while. Another one of the comments here, if you look at the document being uploaded on Twitter, and that is, again, that likely could mean a settlement is underway. And even if it doesn't mean a settlement, there's some information that both Ripple and the SEC are looking to hash out on their own. Again, signaling towards discussions and a possible settlement talk. If you remember the last time I brought a video when we were doing the discovery hearing live on my live stream, I mentioned that at the very end you could hear that the Ripple team requested a delay in them submitting a motions for about a week. So that's still coming, I believe, on the 28th. But one of the reasons that they could have requested that delay in the motion, because they hadn't before, is that they're waiting to see what will happen with the settlement talks that I think were happening at the time and continue to happen. So I think this may be kind of related to that. They may be requesting a delay for something, and maybe in that sort of letter they're requesting delay because they're talking with the SEC and a possible settlement discussion. So they might have let the judge know, but obviously they don't want the public to know until it's confirmed. So guys, positive news. Make sure you hold on to your XRP tight. And one of the big indicators that's going to happen in the next couple of days, and it's going to confirm to us what's in that letter, is actually the price. So big things like that, when there's a sealed letter, if there is talk of a settlement, one of the lawyers is bound to leak it out to somebody, and that somebody's probably going to buy a ton of XRP. So we won't know just yet, but in the next couple of hours and a couple of days, keep a very close eye on the price of XRP, because eventually something from that letter gets leaked from the lawyers to those big corporations to try and help them make some gains. I'm not trying to blame anybody, but that's generally how these things work. So keep an eye. If you see a sudden blow up in the price, you know those letters have something positive to say. And it was at about 95 or 94, 93 actually might have been at that time that the letter was released, and now it's at about 99. So let's keep up the good work. XRP is what I'm hoping would happen. So guys, keep yourself ready. We're looking at a big price gain, hopefully, if this trend is confirmed. Again, this is the time. I'm going to show you guys the map here. This is the time that the information about an hour ago that the information was released. So let's take a look at the hour chart so you can see it was about here. Look at where we're at now. So again, it's looking good, looking positive so far. Again, things can change any second, but so far it looks like we have a good line here, guys. It looks like it's a positive growth. Let's hope it keeps up the good work. Make sure you click that like button, you subscribe. It would mean a lot to me, and I'll keep you guys in the loop if anything new happens. So make sure you have that notifications on. It's going to be a speed game, guys. Things can happen. I'm going to answer one quick question before I end this. Everybody's been asking me, so when this lawsuit is over and the price jumps to $10 or $15 or $20, is it a time to sell and then try and get in once things settle? And I'll let you know that no, not yet. So if the price jumps right after the lawsuit, you see it $10-15, it's going to go down probably to the $8 mark, but then it's going to continue. So don't be one of those people that get missed behind again when it goes down a little bit after there. So yes, there will be a settlement, but yes, there not a settlement. Yes, the price will settle after that lawsuit is over. After the initial jump and spike to probably between $10 and $15, then you're gonna have a downturn probably between $6 and $8, and then you're going to start seeing it go up. So if you see it go down to between $6 and $8, don't get too scared, because again, there's going to be big listing news, and a lot of the organizations that were with Ripple before this lawsuit are going to jump on one after the other. And why won't they jump on all at once? It's because there's a lot of bureaucracy, especially when you're dealing with big organizations. And then remember, Ripple is planning to go public. If not, within a month of them settling, it'll be a little bit after that, maybe 2-3 months, whenever, but they're going to go public, and that's the route that a lot of these companies are planning to go. Guys, big news, big updates. Look at the buying pressure here, guys. Excellent buying pressure for Ripple. Positive days ahead. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.